Jane, our first marketing campaign with QR codes is a failure.
Thomas, tell me what happened.
The big guy will probably hit the ceiling by the end of the week. And I will go from hero to zero for recommending we use a paid QR code platform.
The last time you recommended a solution that did not work, he asked you to get back to him with the return on investment on your salary.
Here's what I know so far. We used QR codes in our magazine ads, our newspaper ads, and on our website.
The first challenge.
Our ads in national magazines hit the street this morning. And no scans. None. Nada. Zip. How could that be?
When you scan the code, what do you get?
Nothing. It was pointing successfully to our latest YouTube video when I generated the QR code. I do not know why it is not working.
Thomas, the big guy asked our agency to make an edit to the video. It was uploaded to YouTube yesterday.
I thought the URL remains the same when we update our videos to YouTube.
No. The good news is that you used the paid scan code platform to generate the QR code. This means you can change the pointer to the new URL for our YouTube video. No big deal. It's easy.
Okay, but the QR code in this morning's newspaper ad received just a few scans. I tested the code with my iPhone and it works.
I saw the ad. I'm not surprised. Here are 4 changes you can make before the ad runs again. 1. Tell people what they will get when they scan the code.
2.
Not everyone has a scanner app. So, tell them to text SCAN to 43588 to get a free scanner app for their mobile phone.
3.
Include a short URL to make it easy for people that want to watch the video on their laptop, desktop, or first-generation iPad.
4.
Make the QR code at least 1 inch square with 2 modules of white space around the code, and print the code in black and white, just like you generated the code.
How come?
While your iPhone 4 has an autofocus camera, many smartphones cannot scan QR codes that are smaller than 1 inch square.
Our advertising agency thought the ad would look nicer if they print the code smaller.
Thomas, didn't anyone tell you that size matters?
Jane.
Before you launched the latest marketing campaign with QR codes, did you Google 101 pointers for using QR codes? This checklist will help you avoid costly and embarrassing mistakes.
I did Google 10 reasons that free QR codes will bite me in the tush.
And
we needed to get the ad designed, printed, and out the door so we could high-five each other on how cool we are because we are using QR codes. I did not realize I needed to Google the whole mogula on QR codes to avoid a disaster.
Thomas, is that Lady Gaga on the line for you? Something about a disaster?
Hello, baby, you called? I can't hear a thing. I'm kinda busy.
Stop calling. I don't wanna think anymore. Call all you want, but there's no one home.
Jane, I was supposed to sing that line too.
The guy that puts words in our mouth must be sipping the bub.
Until I get my American Idol recording contract, I guess I should do my homework on QR codes.
Thomas, that's great.
We placed a QR code on our homepage that points to the YouTube video. I'll correct the pointer on that QR code too.
Why not just say, for the video, click here?
Oh.
Since we do offer a free app in conjunction with our new TV series, a QR code that points to the App Store will make it easy for our viewers to download the app on their iPhone or Android.
And, since the paid platform we use recognizes which smartphone was used, it automatically launches the appropriate version of the app.
Thomas, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Jane, you know, if we used a free QR code generator, we would not have known there was a problem.
With a paid scan code platform, you got the analytics you needed to make an informed decision fast so that our company's first marketing campaign using QR codes is a success.
Jane, you saved my tush again.
You're welcome.
The more I learn about QR codes, the more I realize how easy it is to make costly and embarrassing mistakes.
Thomas, You might want to engage a QR code rocket scientist.
That's great. I will Google QR code rocket scientist.
Soon the boss will be going gaga over activating print with video with QR codes. You'll be our company's go-to QR code rocket scientist and rock star.
You know that I want you. And you know that I need you. 'Cause I'm a freak, baby. I want it bad.